and welcome to this video that has been in works for the last 1 month. So I've been trying a clean beauty routine over the last 30 days, and before you ask me why did I decide to switch to a clean beauty routine, I will ask you why not, because it is definitely the next big thing in the beauty world and I had to give it an honest try. So I gathered a bunch of products from this UK based brand called Simple, and if you are curious to know as to how my skin reacted, what were my favorite products, what were my first impressions, then make sure you watch this video till the end. And if you are new to the Be Beautiful channel, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button and make sure you hit the bell icon so that you know every single time a new video goes live. So now let's get straight into this video. Okay guys, it's week 1 of my 1 month long clean beauty experiment and I'm so excited. But I thought before I get started, I should give you a lowdown on what clean beauty essentially means. So all products that make the cut to clean beauty are made very mindfully without the use of any potential toxic ingredients. So these are all products that are made keeping the health of our bodies and the environment in mind, which I think is simply amazing. Now let me tell you that every single product that you see right here on my vanity has absolutely no added artificial color, chemicals, no fragrances that are added externally. It is paraben free, sulfate free, and is basically 100% clean. Let me quickly walk you through all the products that I have with me for the month ahead. Okay, first up I have with me a face wash, which is the Simple Kind to Skin Refreshing Facial Wash. Simple Kind to Skin Hydrating Light Moisturizer. I also have with me Simple Kind to Skin Micellar Cleansing Water. Who doesn't love a product that's exclusively designed to remove your eye makeup? And I have with me the Simple Eye Makeup Remover. Moving on to sheet mask, I have the Simple Kind to Skin Rich Moisture Sheet Mask. And finally, I have with me the Simple Kind to Skin Cleansing Facial Wipes. So that's all the products that I have put together for the 30 days ahead, and I'm really excited to take on this experiment. Hey guys, I am just out of my shower and it's time for me to give my first ever clean beauty product a try. Okay, so I'm just about to give this one a try, and really no explanation here. I'm just going to be rinsing my face, taking a coin-sized amount on my palm. It's almost like gel-like consistency. It's super clear. Other thing that I am noticing is that it's not really foaming up like crazy. It feels so nice and soft, which is because it is completely soap free. And in layman terms, that really means that it is not going to dry out your skin post rinse. So without wasting any further time, I'm quickly going to change into my outfit and move on to the next part of my skincare regime. See you guys. So I have quickly changed into my outfit for the day. I'm just going to quickly go ahead, use my toner and hop on to the moisturizer. Okay, so done with the toning, it's time to use the moisturizer. So the consistency is really light, so just gonna go ahead and apply this onto my face. You know, like they said, there is absolutely no fragrance whatsoever. It feels really nice and light on my skin so far. So I'm just going in like really nice light upward strokes. Okay, so I'm done applying this moisturizer, and first impressions, it's just absorbed into my skin like magic. You can't even tell that I have something on, and it really feels so light. It's not at all like those greasy and sticky moisturizers. This almost feels like a great base for makeup, if I may say so myself, because my skin feels so plump, so hydrated, and it just feels like it got that instant kick of moisture. So I think I'm just gonna quickly move on to my makeup. Okay, again, I have to pause right away and tell you guys that moisturization is so important, and the Simple moisturizer that I just used is actually working so well. Just look at my base, you know, this has no setting powder, no primer, nothing, and it's just looking so flawless already. It's just given me such a nice base to work with. So I guess I am done. I really like how my makeup is turned out and it looks really nice and natural. I have a bunch of other interesting simple products that I'm going to put to test once I'm back. So stay tuned. I guess this should be interesting. Hey guys, I'm back home. I'm done with all my errands and it's time to take off my makeup. If there's one thing I religiously swear by, it is taking off every ounce of makeup from my skin before I call it a day. So first up is the eye makeup remover by Simple, and I'm firstly so impressed by the fact that they have a makeup remover specifically designed for eye makeup removal, because trust me, the area around your eyes can be so delicate, and I'm really hoping that this one works beautifully because it does claim to remove even waterproof mascara. Let's give this one a try right away. Now that I have my cotton pads well soaked with the eye makeup remover, I'm just going to place it on my eyes like this. Hold on for a couple of seconds. You don't want to nudge around. Let it all soak in. Let it work its magic. Really hope this works. I'm so excited to see how this fares. Okay, just gonna swipe it all off. Oh my god guys, look at that. All my mascara has literally come off in one go. That's pretty amazing. I love how effective this is. To be very honest, I didn't expect it to work so well, like one swipe. And you know what's amazing is that this makeup remover has no alcohol and no added chemicals whatsoever, so you can rest assured that the area around your eye is taken care of. It's super mild and boy, it works. So impressed, and which makes me even more excited to try out the micellar water, which is right here. So I'm going to use this baby right here and try to get rid of all the makeup on my face. So just gonna take a bit of it on my cotton pad. Okay, are we ready to see how this one fares? Bam! It has taken off all the foundation. You know what? Because it has no added fragrance, it doesn't even feel like I'm applying anything on my face. It just feels like water. Other side for my lipstick. So let's see if it works on this. So impressed right now. Just have a look. There's absolutely no lipstick on my lips. My skin feels so squeaky clean. Also, now that my makeup is completely off, I have to mention how the Simple Micellar Cleansing Water contains a B3, C and triple purified water, which means that it's taken off all the makeup off my face without clogging my pores. So gets a big thumbs up for me for now. Hey guys, what's happening? We have officially finished 1 week of trying out the clean beauty routine. I have really sensitive skin. When I am experimenting and trying out new products, I do tend to break out very often, and that hasn't happened at all this time. And secondly, I have combination skin, and usually products do tend to leave my skin really oily and greasy. That is again not happening. I am obsessed with that moisturizer already, and I'm kind of beating myself up for not finding this earlier. And another trick that I discovered is that these makeup wipes are so multi-purpose. So I just took my makeup brushes, I wiped them on the clean wipe, and it just takes off all the stains from my brushes and it leaves it really nice and clean. So yeah, I think those are some of the thoughts of my head when it comes to week 1. Really excited to see as to how the next 3 weeks span out. Hey guys, what's happening? I have just wrapped up such a long tiring day and it's almost time to hit the bed, but on such days I do like to pamper my skin a little and indulge myself a little bit. So what better than using a sheet mask on my face and sipping on some green tea. So I thought it's the perfect time to try out this sheet mask that I have from Simple. Now these sheet masks are available in 3 varieties, but what I have with me today is the Rich Moisture Sheet Mask. So once you've opened your sheet mask, all you're going to do is place it nicely on your face and then let it work its magic. Okay, so I have my sheet mask on. So I'm not going to be talking anymore. I'm just going to grab my green tea and sit for the next 15 minutes while this all gets working. So it's been around 15 minutes. It's time to take off my mask and I'm just going to peel it off like this, and you will see that my skin looks so hydrated. I'm not going to take off any of these products off my face. I'm just gonna simply massage it into my skin. I want my skin to absorb it all in, so I'm just gonna let it stay in there, let it work its magic overnight as I plan to hit the bed now. So I'm gonna call it a day and I will see you guys super soon. Hey guys, what's happening? It's week 3 of my clean beauty routine and I thought I'd just hop in here, say a hello and update you as to what is happening. And I have to admit that my skin just feels so good. It's adapted itself so beautifully to this whole new routine, and I think it has a lot to do with the fact that all the products that I'm using are free from alcohol, parabens, chemical, no animal derivatives in there, so I don't think my skin has a reason to complain. So until the next time I check in with you guys, bye. Hey guys, what's happening? I am just getting ready to step down for a really quick workout. So when it comes to workouts, I like to keep it super duper simple. Like you can see, I have absolutely zero makeup on my face. I'm gonna be using my Simple moisturizer right now. Just a little bit of moisturizer is all you really need. So I wanted to tell you guys that I was on Simple's website yesterday and I figured that the brand is not only cruelty free, but they also had a PETA logo on it, which only goes forward to say that there's absolutely zero cruelty towards animals. I think it's so important to factor in this little thing. So yeah, and guys, I love this moisturizer. Just look at it, it's just seeped into my skin. And another word of advice is to make sure that whenever you're going out to work out, you don't want to use anything comedogenic on your skin, because it's just going to clog your pores and it will result in like extreme breakouts and stuff like that, and you don't want that happening to you. And also another thing that I figured on the website is that the brand also has another variant of a moisturizer which has SPF 15, which I think is fabulous. So right now it's almost close to sunset, there's no sun, so I think I'm good with this one, but I'm definitely gonna get my hands on the one with SPF, because if I'm stepping out say in the morning or when it's really sunny, that is gonna be super. So yeah, let's see you down while I break into a sweat. So I'm finally done with my workout. So exhausted. So yeah, I'm just gonna head home and freshen up. But also, if you are someone who's on the go and you can't wait to get back home until you can wash off your face, then you can always carry the Simple Skin Facial Cleansing Wipe, because they're super easy and convenient. Just wipe your face with that and you're good to go. So yeah, I will see you guys in a bit. You guys, this is finally the last week of the whole clean beauty routine experiment. So I thought, why not just sit down with you guys and tell you all my thoughts about trying this routine out and how I felt about every product. So what I'm going to do is just run you over with all the products that I used in the video and tell you my final thoughts on each of them, because I think that's the best way to sum up these last 4 weeks. So let's get started. Now this face wash has been an absolute game changer. It's so light. I love the consistency and the formulation, and all you are left with is squeaky clean skin without any dryness. It doesn't strip your skin of any oils, and I think that is fabulous. Next, I want to talk about the Simple Hydrating Light Moisturizer. Amazing. This was hands down my most favorite product because it's so lightweight. It just blends into my skin like magic. It just sits so perfectly on your skin. It provides an amazing base for your makeup. I have been absolutely enjoying doing my makeup over this moisturizer because it settles into your skin and there are no fine lines or cracks or flaky skin whatsoever, and it really keeps your skin hydrated for hours at end. Next up is the Simple Kind to Skin Eye Makeup Remover, because I love my eye makeup, and honestly eye makeup is the only makeup that I have been rocking since we have a mask on most of the times. So yeah, this one again did the job so well. Definitely going to be keeping it on my vanity area all the time. Next up is the Simple Kind to Skin Micellar Water, and it does exactly what it claims. So easy to work around with. I don't think I used any other makeup remover during the last 1 month because that was just working for me really well. So if you're on the lookout for any makeup remover that is really kind on your skin and great to get rid of your everyday makeup, this is the one. Okay, let's talk about the Simple Kind to Skin Facial Cleansing Wipe. I already showed you guys how I used it through and through over the last month in so many ways, right from getting rid of my makeup when doing makeup swatch videos, cleaning my makeup brushes when I'm pressed for time, going out for a workout and simply using that to get rid of all my sweat and gunk. Amazing. Works really well, really handy. Again, just put it in your pouch or your bag and you're good to go, ready to take on any day whatsoever. Okay, let's finally talk about the Simple Kind to Skin Sheet Mask. Now, if you are someone who wants an instant pick-me-up or a little time out, this is amazing. One-time use, yes, but it really leaves your skin so hydrated and so plump. You feel like you've just indulged a little bit, and which girl doesn't like that? So finally, to sum it up, I really like how all the products behaved with my skin. 1 month is too short a time to see any dramatic result whatsoever. You need to sustain and continue a regime for over 3 to 4 months to see dramatic results, but I can definitely tell you that these products were all so good value for money, deliver exactly what they claim, and free of all things toxic and bad. So there's really no reason to not give this one a try, because trust me, your skin is just gonna thank you later. These products were simply amazing. Simply amazing. Look what I unintentionally did there. Anyways, if you enjoyed watching, then make sure you like this video and share it with all your friends to inspire them to give clean beauty routine a try, because why not? And yeah, just hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you know every single time a new video goes up on Be Beautiful. Until the next time, bye.